This is a tutorial to demonstrate how you can use Photoshop to create a reference image for creating an illustration, a political satire type illustration in a style of an artist from the 19th century. He was from France. His name was Honoré Daumier. And he is known for his work that was an attempt to really make some political commentary using his illustrations. So we're just going to explore how you could take this style and then using modern tools build out a reference image. So I'm just going to wake up this layer here. It's got a headshot of Bloomberg, a Republican candidate for the 2020 election. And we're going to use Photoshop to build an image reference. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just use our lasso tool. And we're just going to very casually, we don't have to be super accurate, we're going to just grab this head here. And then we're going to go Command J. And that's now copied that area and put it on a new layer. Now I'm going to hide that layer and go back to the original layer there. And then I'm going to actually kind of casually go around that head that I have on that layer, and I'm just going to delete it. So now the fun begins. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to wake up this layer here, and we're going to do Command T, and we're just going to enlarge this head substantially, and just going to make it look kind of similar to the style of Daumier, and then we're just going to hit return. And this is just reference images, so you can be kind of sloppy about it. Now let's just hide that layer, and now let's select this layer, Command T to transform, and then let's go up here to Edit and go down to Transform and to just Distort. So now you're going to be able to pull on these corner points to kind of move this body shape around a little bit. We'll get him kind of exaggerated. So we're going to keep his neck kind of big, and then we're going to kind of taper him down a little bit here. Maybe move this out here, and then I'll just hit return, and now we'll wake up the head again. And now we can kind of just, whoops, we're in the wrong layer. We want to be in that layer, and then I'm going to kind of move this head around. And I might even take the opacity down just a little bit so I can kind of see where it's relating to the body shape. And then what I will do now is I think I'm going to just pull that layer down so it's sitting below the body. And then I'm going to just kind of move it up here. And I can, with my eraser tool, I can kind of just erase these areas on the head layer, just so that I've got something that is kind of basic. Now I'm going to hide the reference layer, and now I can save this as a JPEG, and I could use this as a reference image, placing it in a new document and adding a layer. I could do this in Photoshop, or I could certainly import this into an Illustrator file and using the Illustrator tools. So then if this, let's just give an example here. I would then create a layer here for the illustration, and using any tool that you choose, you could then start to use this as an image reference. And that is how you would do this.